Hindi, pre, nagpapalamig pa nga eh. Opo, boss. Mid yan, di ba, boss? Si ano? Ay, ganito na pre. Yun ulit, pre. Oo, di na yung papalitan yun. Dahil lang nakakaalam na. Si Merson daw, bossing. Kasi double mid na to tayo, pre. Pag, ano. Si Boss Charles. Tsaka, boss, yan, ayun na, okay na. Yan, dali. Pagka nag-message na, may nginig. Okay, okay po. Maglulol na lang ako. Maglulol na lang ako. Ayan, dali. Sige pa. Second game. Oy, bossing ano, Shadow. It's time. Yan. Yan. Lamig.
It's your turn to ban.
It's your turn to ban.
10
Yun.
seconds remaining.
Patay. Nagsama pa yung dalawa. Oh, tayo talaga.
5 seconds remaining. I believe it's the enemy's turn to ban.
Ha?
10 seconds remaining.
Taas kamay. Pa-oras na tayo.
5 seconds remaining.
Tayo na, nakashot na yun. Kagising lang, lasing na eh. Kagising lang nun ah.
I believe it's the enemy's turn to ban.
Beastmaster, ano 3 tayo? Grimstroke, kasama ni Beastmaster.
It's your turn to ban.
Yes, Beast 3 tayo. Grimstroke kasama mo dyan.
10 seconds remaining. It's the enemy's turn to ban.
Bossing. Not yet, bossing. Ay, apo. Di ko palang na-open kasi kanina. In-game na tayo. Apo. Tempo, apo. Yan. Gusto kasing makita siya ng inyong real life eh. Parang ayokong sa papel lang siya or sa imagination lang maganda. Pre, Mirana ka dito, pre ah. Hindi.
Your turn to pick.
Okay. All the time that you were down.
10 seconds remaining.
The waste. Patry nga natin.
5 seconds remaining. I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick.
Earth Mirana, hindi pa. Ibibigay ko ulit yung Earth Spirit mo, pre. Baka tsamba lang eh.
Turn to ban.
Hindi pa. Sige. Balik tayo dun. Sige. Hindi, magmimirana ka nga sana eh. Pero okay lang.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Sham or Enigma. Okay. Mag-iba na ako, mag-iba pa ako. Hindi, dami kong mali eh. Hindi.
It's your turn to ban.
Tatanggalin natin. Sige.
I believe it's
Para
the
magpalit.
enemy's turn to ban.
Ah,
I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick.
anong trip mo, pre? Mirana pa rin?
10 seconds remaining.
Mirana Enigma tayo, gusto mo?
5 seconds remaining.
Oh. Sige. Sige. Alag. Sige. Hindi, banjak. Banjak.
Your turn to pick.
Snap. Teka. Kailangan natin yung lilikod sa likod. Sniper. Hindi, sa'yo yung Grimstroke, pre.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Sniper mid, edi nag-ano na lang tayo. Nag-SF na lang sana tayo.
Your turn to pick. I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick.
Ano, si Idol yun eh. Magaling tumingin ng siko yun para. Parto ata yun.
Seconds
Yan,
remaining.
gusto ko yan.
5 seconds remaining. I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick. Your turn to pick.
Hand of God. Hindi. Laban natin to.
It's your turn to ban.
Hindi yan.
I believe it's the enemy's turn to ban.
Pwede pre. Pwede Pango dito.
I
Pango
believe
ES
it's
pwede
the
dito.
enemy's turn to ban. It's your turn to ban.
Pakban. Sal- Anong ES pre? Sino dun? Sir? Oh, sige. Yes sir. Makakaisip.
10 seconds remaining.
Oo. Totoo naman yun.
5 seconds remaining. Your turn to pick.
Yan, ganda nga yan. Ganda ng ano. Mabilis natin habang nag-aabante tayo. Nauna na si Earth Spirit sa harap.
I'm afraid it's the enemy's
Sakto yun pre. May Sojo ka ulit. Piano tiles ulit.
Seconds remaining.
Ganda nung ano. Pasok mo dun sa ano. Nag-bounce yung ano.
5 seconds remaining.
Yung magnetized pre. Sarap eh. Giling-giling eh. Ito. Ay, puta. Parang NFL ata.
Choose your hero, my good friend.
Oh, Nagka-challenge tayo ha. Do our best, enjoy the game. Mahirap. Okay lang matalo basta nakita natin yung epekto ng pwede natin gawin sa laban. Makita natin yung composition. Halimbawa, sabihin natin, kahit sobrang lalakas ng lineup nila, pero in-game, may sarili tayong galaw. Parang, masarap panoorin ng ano eh.
Duska. Yes.
Wag, secure lang. Lamang sila. Lugi tayo.
Prepare for battle.
Silang mga guys Hindi mo na tayo pa-push.
Snowstorms are coming.
Yun lang.
Got it.
Uy.
Yeah.
30
Ito.
seconds to battle. Is this on?
I've always wanted to
Baba
be a
tayo.
space
Doon may bi-
racer. You were doing very well. I'm very proud of you.
Likod ka na lang pre, arrow type ka ba dito? Or wala pang kinukuha ang...
The North comes with me.
Ano pare?
You betcha.
Okay.
This
Secure,
is it.
dalawa secure
The
sa taas.
battle begins.
Good choice, good choice.
Who's ready for a fight? The first hit is free. Anyone?
Anyone?
Yeah, sure.
Together we cry. SG Omni tong top, no? Or snap?
You betcha.
Omnilina. SG snap na par.
Yeah.
Easy lang Hindi tayo go. Easy lang tayo.
Yeah, sure.
No, pre. Percent rate
If you say so. I say.
Pwede naman. Low pa tong mga to.
Wrapped and ready.
Sabi ko, free hit yun Nakakuhain ko lang to. Bama deads nag-stun na to pre. Nag-stun na yun Boom. Uy, yan lambot mo. Ayun na, diba? Par, dali par.
Sounds like a good idea.
Ay, slow par. Pwede pa yan, kung kukulit yan.
Got it.
Uy,
Why not?
pwede par. Eh,
Get ready. Here I go.
gaganista na ito na lang. Gusto to per. Ay. Kanina pa nga. Pwede ito pre. Inintay ko nga yung creep pag position Ay lang. Sige lang. Huling nga.
Got it.
Next tango na tayo pa.
If you say so.
Kaya.
Snowstorms are
Last
coming.
one. Nag-blind spot. Ayaw nila. Nag-stock. Nice one. Nag-stock yun.
Yeah.
Diyan na yung tango naman.
Outward.
Pre, huwag ka magpapahit muna.
The Lord comes.
Dito na yung tango. Tango para. Chicha muna. Lang mana ata ito par. Dahil lang Maipit yan. Ay! Tangina ka.
Good to be good.
Ang ganda sana sa pangarap nun, no? Ay, natanggal. Apahan ko lang to. Uy, pause. Ito, TikTok ata yun ah. Ready pa na pre kung sakali ah. Uy, pukin ang ina mo pre. Alam ba? Okay.
Yes.
Pero nakita na natin yung gusto natin, kaya natin gawin pag ganun. Dali yan. Yung tower,
You betcha.
dali naman.
Yeah, sure.
Nawala yung last boy. Pwede ata. Ilang kulit niya. Wag.
Sounds like a good idea.
Alam pala. Uli na ako. Itong last lane na lang na to.
I say you.
Gagawin yan.
Radiant's courier has been slain. This is no surrender
Gago ka.
for a piece of your meat.
Pool. Okay naman naman. Star pool. Tama. Ay. Okay lang. Makunat pa rin. Makunat na. Wala na rin ako mana. Hindi ko na ano ito. Wala na mana. Drinking bodies.
Snowstorms are coming.
Dyan lang ako mana para.
You betcha.
Ano yan pare. Parusa ng kakagising.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I have punching for you.
Para
Excuse
ano
me,
to isang ba?
but your bottom tower is under attack.
Why not?
Borado yan pare. Isang buong linggong ano to.
Yeah.
Okay, dali. Borado talaga. Borado dalawang ano, gawa. Dito sa XP to par. Kapipilitan to par. Hello. Ay, takin naman si
Your
Henry.
top tower is under attack.
Good to be good.
Ay, may block na ako doon. 7 minutes par. Pwede natin silang patayin.
Got it.
Your middle tower is under attack. Just thought Dire's structures are fortified. They are looking quite
Pwede natin sila i-go para sa 7. Boss, andito si boss ano? Tara pre. Alis ka pre. Ibablock ko pre. Huwag ka mag-alala pre, got you. Yeah, okay lang pre. Ganun, dapat mag-eye shard. 7. Dali pre. Okay ko 7 minutes.
middle tower has fallen.
Yan. Lamig. Puta. Lamig, boy.
Okey-doke.
Yan. Dali pa. Pang.
The North comes with me.
Gago. Oy.
Yeah.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Does this happen a lot?
Ay, gago ginagawa, oh. Oh, kala ko. Dalang. Ito na. Buhay pa, oh. Buhay pa, oh.
You betcha.
And when I'm back to Chicago.
Onward.
I steal with glory.
You are going nowhere.
Kaya pala, i-advance ko pa. Uy! Tango, pre. Tango. Eh,
If you say so.
pre, Lina, pre. Uy, putang ina mo, KS pa.
Got it.
Yes, sir. Gotcha. Copy, Roger. Copy, Uncle Roger. Come to us. Come to me, Daddy.
Yeah, sure.
Uy! Putang yun talaga, oh. Aray ko. Dalawa yan. Okay lang. My bads. Huwag yung kalimutan. Okay po. Okay po. Another version.
Oh, yes.
Bote ka, bossing.
For a comeback.
Bote, bossing. Up. Malakas yung... dali. Pwede, bossing. Makulit eh.
You betcha.
Punat.
If you say so.
Huwag na, boss. Secure na. Didi, pare. Ay, nakuha. Didi, ah.
Excuse me.
Didi ang, Gedli.
Attack.
The North comes with me. Yep.
Dali. Pwede may pressure yata to, bossing. Ay, di na.
Not.
Siya sa... Tara. Ready, Beastmaster?
Let us keep this clean.
Your middle
Ready,
tower
beast,
is
ready,
under
beast.
attack.
Uy, na, boss. Huwag ka makapalat, ah. Easy ka lang. Uy, ba't yan pa?
Regrettably,
Okay, may kita ka dyan, gago.
is under attack.
When you are ready.
Ay.
Yes.
Wala. Wala, sa Tori ka, kita ka yun.
Let us
Oh, balik na tayo dito.
got it.
Yun lang. Babalik sila sa baba. Alis ka na dyan,
I wonder your top tower is under attack.
May words ako dyan. Hindi pwedeng wala yan.
Cunningly
Sino?
fortified. Your top tower is
Sure kayo?
under attack.
Yes.
Go.
Oh dear.
Go, pre. Huwag ka mag-ano. Go yan, pre. Bilis. Umangat.
A vicious double slang.
Out na ako.
Yeah.
Out na ako, par. It's a disaster.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Got it.
Okay, guys.
Onward.
Ito, pre, oh. Ay, pakain ko na to.
The whole bunch of punch.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Yeah.
Does this happen a lot? Your bottom tower has fallen.
You betcha.
Uy.
I say,
May ulti pa to. Kaya lang, nakaano ako ah.
good to be good.
Nakaraw si Bao. Diyan pa rin ah.
Yeah, sure.
Ah.
Needed that coin.
Got it.
May tata yan, boss eh.
You betcha.
Out of position ah. Nako,
Why not?
pwede na, pangit na ng position nito guys. Oo nga. Mamaya na.
You betcha.
Ay, center. Aray ko. Thank you. Wag ah.
The north comes
Easy lang.
Radiant's structures are fortified. There appears to be some sort of magic.
Arkin 15.
if you say so.
Saan yung words ko? 14. XP. Tanggal yung words ko dun.
Dead. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Bear. Wala nang pamailata. Dali.
Good to be good.
15. That pick off talaga isa. Ayan, katulad yung top. Pwede yun, 4 lang yun. May soda ko.
Sounds like a good idea.
Saan na yun?
I hate to inform you that your top tower is
Kita
under
ba?
attack.
I say, yes.
Oo, nakita ka. Nakita yun. May ano dito.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Ayan. Oh, single pa naman ako.
When you are ready.
Hindi, papalag tayo. Any roll ako par.
Got it. Want
Going.
to try you?
Babalik ako. Going.
Nothing quite as
Go guys. Wag. Out na guys. Pwede tayo mag twin gate. Nice. Okay.
Wanted to try your luck.
Yung... Alright. Another mission.
Onward.
Yes. Pwede. Pero... Yes sir.
Okie.
Alam na natin ano pare. Wag ano ng compose ng ano berry ano. Verdemure tayo pre, Verdemure.
Good idea.
Yan. Radon ng puto. Iwan pamilya. Ano pre?
The north comes with me.
Siyempre, putang ganda ng ikot na yun. Nakita na. Ano, DC? BM pre. Knockout. Pre, LD mid, tingin ko ito, pwede na nating i-try ulit. Pero kasi pre, wala silang TP, so wala silang pwedeng puntahan na iba. Okay. Oh, ano? Pre, beast. Oh, diba? Naka-Elon Druid daw pre. Naka-L ni.
You betcha.
Ayun na siya. Lina mid oh. Ito pre, Lina mid oh. Lina mid, walang kasama.